Kabir, come. Currently, all the station operations are disrupted and we cannot get any information at the moment.
Yes, actually our team now starts to evaluate the situation.
Early that morning, we rushed into the customer switch room. The flood in Darna was worse than we had imagined.
So if this plan, this is the first recovery plan, and also we have other backup plan. We have like this here, other side, it's called.
After 2 rounds of discussions, we confirmed the optimal network recovery plan with the customer. Someone needs to go.
I know it's a little bit difficult, yeah, but we have to go there.
So I called my wife. I told her I will go to Darna right now. Time was life. We faced foggy weather. It's just 5 meters in front of the car. You can see nothing. What you will face also this. We find so many cars destroyed on both of the roadsides. After a night of driving, around 5 or 6 in the morning, we finally reached Darna. When we arrived, the power system was affected, so that we could only work under the light of the car. It's a matter of time. You cannot lose any single second. The weather in Darna that day was fine, but our hearts were heavy. Around us were collapsed houses and trapped people. The feelings there was complicated, and the sadness was so, covered all the country there. We had to overcome the sad feeling and focus on our mission there. And some roads were destroyed, so we had to walk onto the sides. We had to speed up the pace.
Hi Kabir, yes, first site has been recovered. It's nearby Darna. At this point, the network has been restored. It's a little bit scattered and network coverage is limited. We need to break through the existing topology.
There were still 3 important fiber node sites down. Meanwhile, hardware support was needed for the newly built microwave links between sites. A second earlier of fully restoring communication means saving 1 more life. I draw the map on the window, so each one of them know exactly what he will do at that time. We could finish so many microwave links that time, so fast. This, I think, makes a difference, especially that day.
Yes, guys.
Later, I saw a story in social media about a family in Shiha area who were rescued because they made a call. I suddenly realized that area has the last site we restored. And this made me think, how many lives did we save by restoring the network? Crises and disasters tell us that connectivity means life and hope. In 2018, I joined Huawei. Now, Libya has a 4G, and I'm honored to be in some cities the first employee support to launch first 4G sites. I often ask myself, am I adding a value to my society? Fortunately, Huawei provides me with such opportunities.